Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Guess what day it is, guys? It's Happy Mail Day! And I am popping on to share with you some happy mail I received from one of our junk journal buddies and admin moderator for the group, as well as the moderator for Liz for a day. Anyways, so this was for a swap that I participated in. I participated in two, and I think this one was altered envelopes. No, not altered envelopes. Altered paper clips. There we go. There we go. Okay, so I've already sent my package off, and I think I did a video showing how to package those up, and you can take a look up there to check that video out. And before I go any further, let me just thank you guys for stopping back by. If you're new to the channel and you like swaps and junk journaling in general, hauls, and happy mail, this is the place for you. So go ahead and click the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of these lovely uploads. And if you're a current subscriber, thanks so much for coming back. I do so appreciate the community that I have, for your encouraging words, and for the ideas that you guys share. And I also check out quite a few of your channels. So if you do have a channel, comment below so that I can come in over and show some love to your channel as well. I'm game for the creative community. So anyways, let me stop rambling and let's just dive in. I haven't looked into this. I just simply cut the package open, and I'm just excited to see what Penny has sent. All right, so okay, so first off, oh my goodness, isn't this gorgeous? So Penny has sent me this beautiful paper clip with a little envelope there, and it says bedazzle. It's an envelope holding an envelope, and look at the cute little gold foiled leaves and flower. That is so pretty. And by the way, Penny, thank you so much for sending this to me and for being my swap partner. I always love the things that you create. And by the way, if you guys want to join the Facebook group Junk Journal Buddies, I will drop a link to that group below. Okay, it's exclusively junk journaling and ephemera and all the accoutrements that go along with junk journaling. Anyways, moving right along. Look at that. That says, you do such a great job of layering, Penny. I would never even think. So you got some die cuts in there, little bingo, little flower, and it kind of looks like a wooden ring in the back, and then it's got the book page on it, and it says dream. That is so stinking cute. Okay, and again, the layering is, look how she made that. Isn't that cute? The layering is just, I mean, it takes a creative eye to be able to do this. And she inked the edges, distressed that a little bit. The little ticket in the back, and the birdie, and the flower peeking out from underneath, and the tiny little envelope. Isn't that adorable? Moving right along, a little bit of lace trim. I love it. I love that. Wait, let me get it right. Oh, happy day. Again, we have the envelope. She has, it looks like she used her die cutting machine to cut out these shapes, because I don't think I've seen them in any store-bought items. And the little flower back there. Penny, did you stamp that on there, or did you cut that off of some fabric that had that wording on there? Drop below in the comments and let us know how you made that. And look at this. Look at the gingham. Oh, isn't that cute? This says inspire. I love the encouraging words that she's used on these paper clips. Look at that teacup. I wish I had that teacup in real life. Anytime I go to the thrift store, the first thing I do is head to the China area so that I can see if they have any teacup sets. Because I love to be fancy when I drink my tea. That is so pretty. And then my favorite with the butterfly. Penny, I'm not sure if you know, but the butterfly that's a Livie's Lovelies symbol. Look at the little ruler and that botanical, all those flowers. That is so cute. I would never even think to make it like that. And then we have All My Love. Look at the envelope holding those notes. And then the little die cut with the button in there and then the flower. That's so pretty. I love the layering. I mean, it's just, I mean, it's not something that I've ventured into, but I certainly would like to try my hand at it. Really cute. All right, and then we have, let me just move the note off to the side. Now there's a note on the back here, but on this side, it's like a little coloring card that I could use and tuck into my journal as a memory of what Penny has sent me, which that might be what I do, add a little card to the other side. And oh, this is so pretty. Look at the little piece of satin and an envelope. Eternal youth. Really, yes, I will stay young forever, at least young at heart. And then it's backed on a tag. That, and the two little girls back there, aren't they adorable? Look at them. I don't know if you can see them. And then she sent some playing cards. Let's see, what are those images? I think we need to do an ATC swap. Yeah, that's what we need to do, Penny. And then it looks like a bag, which of course we don't just take a bag in journaling. We take a bag and make it into something else, a pocket, or decoupage with it, or collage with it, which I certainly will. And so all that being said, Penny, thank you so much for my paper clips. I love them, and I certainly will be using them in my journal. Actually, need to get started on making one for myself. I'm almost finished with the prayer journal, so you guys have been following along on that. Stay tuned. And until we're back here again on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafting community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.